Hello. There's sun today, actually. We're gonna try and get on. There's a free bus to the Modern Art Gallery, and we think we actually found it today. We tried finding it yesterday. We're fairly certain it comes here, maybe, and it's green. Since Esme's judging my vlogging, we're gonna vlogging judge her ginger cookie addiction habit and all the excuses she's making to eat them, even though she's gonna save them for home. So yeah, how'd you like that? Okay, so the bus thing was blue. We just went through, there's definitely two of the galleries, they're right next to each other. We just went through number 2, which had some cool stuff. What was it? Oh, I forget. There's French stuff, and surrealism. That's what, I couldn't think of the word. Yeah, so there's some Picasso, and some Dali, and Miro, and everyone. It's pretty cool. And now we're off to 1. That's uplifting. Everything is going to be alright. We just finished with the Gallery 1, which was cool, a lot more contemporary art. We sat and watched a 20-minute video, short film thing. That was kind of strange. Kind of. And yeah, various other art things that people made. Anything else super interesting? Anything that I need to remember? Contemporary art, sometimes it's kind of weird. It doesn't make sense. And I don't even know if it's really art. I can't say that it's not art. So, I guess it was art. Look, I'm on art. It's art. Because there's a sign that says it's art. We found a magical walkway, and we're following it. And I think it goes down to water. It's pretty. We're going to get afternoon tea. Oh, that way. That's makes sense in this very Christmassy building. Yay, tea. Okay, so tea was absolutely delightful. Really good tea. Good scones, cake, sandwiches. An American couple next to us being very, very American. And yeah, it was all nice. Yeah. Yep. Casually just in a dark cemetery to do test shots for the photo collaboration thing. It's spooky. I think we casually found this parade. So we came up with a good excuse to just start following the parade to see what's gonna happen and hope something gets lit on fire. Hey, hello, internet. We're at Helen. Helen's just leaving. We're going to be. We're going to be doing henna again, and we just had food. And
No longer am I going to have pale and uninteresting hair, soon I'll have red and jazzy.
Beautiful. So we're gonna do Helen and Esme's hair, and Eliza and I are good. She's got her thing going on. I got the little thing somewhere. Yeah.
Looks like your phone is caked in henna. It's just brown.
It's just wood. Esme's hair has been done in full, theoretically. We'll see.
Okay.
Plus her scalp.
I'm kind of excited now that I've got my hair up and it just runs. Transfer. That one's really cute. What kangaroo is this? Kangaroo is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much just me? I feel like you're probably in the frame most of that time. There we go. I don't know how it goes.
You can't force spontaneity. Baby,